Hello friends, I am architect Sonu Rai from Green Landscape and Architectural Design Studio, and today I am here with another video tutorial in Autocad. And today I am going to discuss about array command, erase command, explode command and offset command. So I am going to start with array command. So if you go to your modify panel, and you can also enter in your shortcut command like AR array for this array command, and you can go to your modify here and you can see this symbol. This is arrays command symbol, and if you go to this drop down arrow, and if you click here, you will find three more categories in array command, that is rectangular array, path array and polar array. So we will understand each one. So suppose if you want to create a number of copies of any object or in your design. Suppose I am going to draw one rectangular object here, and I will take 2 feet by 2 feet. Suppose this is a chair, and I want to create an array of this. So instead of copying this again and again, we will use array command to save your time. It will save a lot of your time. So I'm going to enter AR array command, or you can select here from this also. So I'm going to select from this arrow, and I'm going to select rectangular array. And now if you will select your first command, that is rectangular array, so you have to first select the object here. So I'm going to select my object, and now you will enter, and you can see number of copies is created in default settings. So these vertical things are called columns, and these horizontal things are known as row. So you can edit these settings like columns is by default it is 4, so we will count 1 2 3 4, so 4 columns, and row is 3, so 1 2 3, so 3 rows, and in between 3 feet 6 inches, so in between there is 3 feet 6 distance between columns. This is column, so in between 3 feet 6 inches. If you want to change the these settings, so I am going to make columns number to 6, enter. So you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 columns have been created, and number of rows I am going to make it 5. So I'm going to enter 5, and you can see 1 2 3 4 5 rows has been created. And you can also change the distance in between columns, so it is 3 feet 6 inches. I'm going to increase this to 5 feet. You can see distance is increased, and same you can repeat it for rows also, and you can make it this 5 feet, or you can make it 6 feet, whatever distance if you want between the of this object. And again you can select this object, and you can use this arrow to increase or decrease the number. Suppose I want to increase, so I will increase this, and if you want to decrease, you can use this also. You can increase, and you can decrease also. So likewise you can uh, edit these settings in this rectangular array. So after finishing this, you can close array. So next is your next command is path array. So I am going to use this path array to create a path of array. So let's begin. I am going to enter AR this time, shortcut command array, and now I am going to draw a path around this line. So suppose I want to create a landscape or anything, any pathway. So I'm going to use SP line here, and you can draw any free form here, any path, and you can finish by double enter. And now we can use this as your path for creating trees around the site. So I am going to use AR, and I am going to select the object, enter, and now it will ask rectangular, path or polar. So I am going to select this time path array, and now it will ask select path curve. So I'm going to select this as my path, and you can see this around this curve line is created. So this is a bit farther, so for this you have to bring this object closer. So I'm going to move this tree by using move command till here, and now we can create, and I'm going to enter AR array, and now I'm going to select the object which is tree, and now I'm going to select this rectangular path or floor, and you can select it from here also, array enter array type. So I'm going to select path, and now I'm going to select this as my path. So this is trees along this curved line which is created by using path array, and you can likewise you can same change the settings here, likewise how many trees you want in between. So I'm going to take this items number of items which is showing the number of the object, which is 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I'm going to select these items, and now I can reduce it to 7. I want 7 trees, so it will become 7. Now I am going to draw any shapes like this chair, any circular things I am going to draw here, and now I am going to enter array AR, and now it is asking array select object. So I am going to select this, and I'm going to enter. Now it is asking enter array type rectangular path or polar, so I'm going to enter polar here, and now it is asking array specify center point of array, base point or axis of rotation. So I'm going to use this center point of array. So we'll adjust our mouse, and we'll try to figure out this is our center point. So I'm going to hit this, and you can see 6 chairs is created or 6 objects. So you can change these settings, like while here you can increase or decrease the number of objects. So I'm going to enter 9. So 9 object is created, and make 10 also. So 10 objects is created, and in between you can change the angle also here in between 36 degree, and you can change this angle 360. You can make it 180 also, so it will be at 180 degree, and make 330 also, so it will be 350. So I'm going to make it 360. So this is the process of drawing array, polar polar array. So these all are 3 types which you can use in your architectural projects. So next thing is explode command. So explode command is used to explode any objects which is in block form. Suppose I am going to select this, this is in a block or any polyline, you can also explode. So this is uh, in block form. So if you move this, the whole object will move. So suppose I want to take this chair and bring it here, so but I can do. So for this you can use this command, explode command. So I am going to use ex explode. You can use this as explode command. Ex is for extend, so I'm going to use this explode, or you can use shortcut command x for explode. So I'm going to use this, select this object, and now I'm going to enter. So this object is exploded, and you can select this individual chair, and you can use it anywhere, move it, and move this table also. So this is the use of explode command. And next is offset command. So offset command is used to give any distance between any wall or any window, door or any object. Suppose I am going to draw a line here, a wall line, and I am going to use my ortho, and I'm drawing this line as, and I want to give this offset of uh, 9 inch. So you can use offset command, which is short command is O. I'm going to enter O offset, and now and enter the offset distance. You have to specify offset distance. So I'm going to enter 9 inch, enter, and now you can do offset through. If you move your cursor here, it will go outside, and if you move inside, it will come inside. So I'm going to click this, and likewise you can uh, give number of offset to any line, and you can draw walls. Generally we'll use offset command in drawing any rooms. As suppose if you want to make room of 10 feet, here you can enter offset command O, enter, and you can give distance, offset distance 10 feet, enter, and now you can click this line, and the next line is 10 feet, and again you can give for interior walls. You can enter offset command and enter 5 inch for interior walls, and likewise you can use this offset command for drawing walls and windows, any objects, and many other things which we will learn slowly. And now I'm going to use this erase command, which is like deleting any object. If you want to delete any object, you can simply use your delete keyboard on your laptop or computer, and I'm going to use this erase for same thing. Suppose I want to erase this line, so I'm going to select this erase, and I will bring mouse cursor here, and I will click once, and now I will enter. So this is erased. So these are the commands which we have learned today. In the next video tutorial, I will bring more commands in AutoCAD, which will be very helpful in architectural design. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks.